The train lurched to a halt, snow swirling outside like a blizzard of secrets. I stumbled into the private cabin, and there he was, the wealthy businessman, lifeless, a chilling smile frozen on his face. Panic rippled through the passengers. Was it the mysterious woman with the piercing gaze? Or the personal assistant, always lurking in the shadows? And what about the rival entrepreneur, his ambition turning to desperation? We were trapped in this wilderness, cut off from the world, and time was running out. Just as we pieced together the puzzle, the truth hit me like a freight train. He faked his own death to escape his enemies. But someone else had other plans. The killer was among us, and the real game was just beginning.